Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from the Janet collection. This is my first time reviewing a Janet collection wig. So make sure y'all stick around and see how I put her on. So the hairline was pre-plucked, maybe not to my liking, but if you are a beginner, you can get away with not plucking. The inside of the unit has 3 combs, adjustable straps, and adjustable elastic band in the wig for a glueless wear. The body in this wig is insane. It's giving cash doll teeth, okay? Now that lace was ashy, but nonetheless, she's blendable in the end. But I used the product that helped with that. Keep watching and I'll show you what I used. The parting space they gave was very generous. Also, the density was low, but it was perfect for a natural look. So boom, so the hair isn't technically giving a full 13x6 frontal effect. If I'm not mistaken, the edges / sides of the unit is only giving you less than an inch of parting space, while the middle is giving you the 6 inches back, if that makes sense. So yes, that is for my girlies that want to know if she is a full 13x6 frontal. This part is self-explanatory. If you want to pluck, go for it. If you don't have to. I feel like I would have been finished before this time if I wasn't dancing and watching the VMAs. So this is the next morning. I'm just going to finish out the install with a fresh eye. I see if you keep combing through her and plucking her, that body you seen in the beginning that she had will go flat. I am using my Even spray, but this isn't what melted this unit. That melting spray from Even in that yellow bottle is chef's kiss. I had to keep playing around with this product, but now I got it to work. These were potential styles I had in mind before I committed to the Y2K look because I was just so indecisive. Overall, I am really impressed by Polina. What I really loved was the body she gave in the beginning. The density was natural and the hair texture for the price felt really good. If you manipulate her, her style will alter for a warning. My cons will have to be that lace. Obviously, we got her to blend, but of course with Swiss lace, she is a lot tougher to blend, and the actual material isn't as flexible. I have another unit from this series that I will be reviewing soon, so stay tuned for that. So this concludes today's video. Let me know how y'all are feeling this unit from the Jenna collection, and if you have this unit, how do you feel about her? So if you like this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. It is much appreciated, as well as pressing that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss none of my future videos. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.